Minute. No, minute and a half. There we go. Minute and a half. Last day here is the 31st. We're about halfway done now. Breakfast: egg, cheese, jalapenos, mayonnaise, mustard, and I need some ketchup. A little bit of onions, cheese, jalapenos, seasoned salt, 1 egg.
Look at this cool new thing I invented.
I guess Nick's been doing this for a while, and I just started this morning. This is my second one today. Mix. Well, shut up. Get out of here. Ah, sad. I have to wait. Minute. No, minute and a half. There we go. Minute and a half. Roll. And yes, I like mayonnaise. I put a lot of it on. Oh, not quite done. Almost done. Ah, hot bowl. Okay. Do 1 more minute. Okay. That's better. Move it over here. And scoop it out. Okay, this is hard to do with one hand. That. Little bit of beef. 1 more piece. And I'm done. Egg, beef, cheese, onion, and other stuff. Sandwich. Nick and I's favorite dinner: chicken Caesar wraps. Better Call Saul. And I don't know, his got screwed up, but mine didn't. I'm really tired, and it's really late. I'm gonna go to bed in that comfy bed with all the pillows. And it's gonna be comfy. I'm freezing. It's cold in here. Oh, good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna get in a warm bed now.